Mike Hughes here. I'm at NEMO Power Tools, and Bob, you have a couple items to tell me about this year?
I'd love to talk to you. Thanks for stopping by, Mike. This is our brand new reciprocating saw, NEMO Power Tools. It's the second iteration of this tool. Brand new design, sold with 2 batteries. This has a nice plunger style trigger on this, easy to operate with gloves, heavy fingers, whatever. Uses standard everyday blades that you get at Home Depot,
right,
any normal hardware store. It's very standard, very rugged tool.
How deep is it? Would I go with this?
You can go up to 50 meters with this tool.
Okay, so past recreational depth, in case you really want to saw something in half.
Yes, and if you want to be doing recreational diving up to that depth, you'll be doing just fine.
Recreational diving with power tools.
Exactly.
Oh, cool. And then, of course, we have some other items. There's been some improvements on this little bad boy here.
Yes, that's a very popular tool in the lineup. It's actually one of the newer ones as well.
For any aquarium or just big aquariums?
Originally it was designed for cleaning holes on boats.
Okay.
But it's actually crossed over and been used a lot in a lot of commercial aquariums.
That's what I thought. Okay.
Yeah,
cool.
A lot of aquariums are using it. Use some in the pool industry to clean tile, things like that. So it's become a very versatile tool. It comes with 2 of these 12-inch brushes. There's a pattern to these, different cut lengths. So when you're using it on the side of, say, a boat or inside an aquarium, it's going to help to somewhat have a suction effect on the side of the surface. It's going to make holding it a lot easier.
Right, and staying in one spot a lot easier.
Yes.
And then you have another item that should have been here at the show but got lost in translation or shipping.
Yes. The SDS rotary hammer drill. Look at that, flipped right to it. Yeah. Beautiful tool. Physically, it's going to be about the size of the saw right there. Use the standard SDS Plus bits. 22-volt lithium-ion battery. It comes with 2 of those. It's going to give you a lot of power. It has 3 standard operations on a mode switch you can't see of standard drill only, hammer drill, and hammer only. Perfect. It is a beast.
And so if they want more information about home improvement under the sea, they would go to your address again?
NEMOPowerTools.com.
That was easy. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you very much.